Welcome to the Chic Show. If you love creating, then I love you. My theme today is Wicked the Musical. With Halloween just around the corner, I felt like this was a good fit. Today's video is part of a monthly minis playlist hosted by Crafted by Corie. You'll find a link to her channel in the description box below, along with the playlist. Now, on with the show. Project number 1 is a Wicked wood round. This project, I'm using a wood round and one each of the Wicked and Witch Hat wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. The wood round will get a coat of Waverly White. The Wicked cutout will get a coat of lime green paint, which I concocted from several other colors. The witch hat, of course, will be black. Once those have had a chance to dry, I'm going to hot glue the Wicked word onto the wood round. By adding some tumbling tower blocks to the back, I'm providing a stand. I'm now adding some Mod Podge and glitter. A few scrap pieces of ribbon will make a nice messy bow. Keep watching to the end to see a final reveal. Number 2 is the Emerald City. I'm starting with this piece from Dollar Tree that I had started painting for a different project. I'm also using some toothpicks that I've spray painted gold. I gave the Dollar Tree piece a coat of green paint and then hammered some nails along the outside of the round part so that I could insert the toothpicks. The paint that I used was a craft paint, but it was a metallic green color. Once all of the toothpicks were inserted, I added some gold letter stickers from Dollar Tree. To add some more sparkle detail, I used some of these stickers from Dollar Tree. Project number 3 is Dear Old Shiz. This is where Alphabas and Glinda met for the first time. I spray painted this Dollar Tree toy in gold paint. I also used a gold paint pen to color the stickers that I had to put on top of the building. These stickers provided a unique U to put on the building as well. Project number 4 is based on the song Defying Gravity. Printed this graphic from my computer and then cut it to fit this Dollar Tree sparkly gold frame. Project number 5 is Alphabas Broom and Glenda's Wand. Made a broom from jute twine and a dowel rod. I cut several strands of jute twine to about 2 inches long. Then proceeded to pull the strands of the jute twine apart and then brush them as well. I then hot glued the strands onto the dowel rod. I used a thinner twine to wrap around the top of the broom to make it more broom-like. I brushed the strands a little bit more and then gave it a haircut. I originally used antique wax on the broom handle, but then went back later and painted it black. I paired the broom with one of these witch hat picks from Dollar Tree. For Glenda's wand, I used a dowel rod and one of these wood cutouts. I spray painted it silver and added silver glitter. I made a small silver and gold bow to add to the wand. And I paired it with one of these small chalkboard signs with another song displayed on it called For Good. Remember to check out the links in the description box. And remember, share the chic. Bye now.